Hi, good morning. So yesterday night I had to sleep in a different room, not in my regular room, because my room, the neighbors, they were cooking dry fish at night, and the smell was not so good. So I had to sleep here in this room. This is my breakfast today, and like one guest has come, so having nice time pass also. My maternal aunt has come, that is my mother's younger sister. She has come. So from yesterday till today there are lots of discussion, lots of gossips, in which I also took part, and where marriage is definitely one of the topic. uh, so I am turning 39 this year. I will be turning 39 this year. So the topic of marriage is very much in their discussion. I did take part, but not for long. I did not discuss anything much. I came back. My day went on so, means neither too good nor too bad. There were lots of discussion, family discussion, many topics discussed, and I attended my Buddhist meeting, so that was very good because I could express my problems, my ongoing situation, condition, and they encouraged me. That is very much relieving.